Hi, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, I request you to please click on the subscribe button. For today's recipe, I'm going to add half a tablespoon of oil. That I'm going to add 3 cloves, 1 bay leaf, 5 red chilies, 3 cardamoms, 1 cinnamon stick, 8 cashew nuts. Then I'm going to add 3 medium-sized tomatoes. I'm now going to let this fry for about 2 minutes. 2 minutes I'm going to add a little bit of ginger and 4 garlic cloves. Along with that I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I'm going to now let this cook for about 1 minute before switching off the flame to let it cool down. It's been 1 minute now. I'm now going to switch off the flame and I'm going to now let this cool down so that I can grind this into a gravy. Blending the paste, I'm now going to add 1 tablespoon of oil in the very same pan. Oil is hot enough, I'm going to add 1 medium-sized onion to it. Frying it for about 3 minutes, I'm now going to add the blended paste to it. After adding the blended paste and mixing it with the onions, I'm now going to add 1 green chili to it. Mixing it with the green chilies, I'm now going to add 1 glass of water. Adding the water, I'm now going to add half teaspoon of red chili powder to it. Add quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, teaspoon of garam masala powder, and then add the salt as per taste. As the gravy starts boiling, I'm then going to add 3 tablespoons of cream to it. After adding the cream, I'm going to mix the gravy really gently. Along with the cream, to add to the taste, I'm also going to add some butter to it. After adding the butter, I'm going to then mix the gravy. After mixing the gravy, I'm then going to add some crushed kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves to it. For the best part of the dish, I'm now going to add the paneer cubes to it. After adding the paneer, kindly mix it gently and thoroughly while ensuring that it do not break the paneer cubes since you've not fried it, so I'd suggest you mix it really slowly. After this, you can now cover it with a lid and let it cook for a period of 3 minutes on low flame. After 3 minutes, I've now removed the lid. And lastly, I'm going to add a few coriander leaves to it to garnish it. After this, you can switch off the flame and your dish is ready to be served. So if you did like this recipe, I'd request you to please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.